Okay, my boat garden is doing very, very, very well. Very well. Potatoes are getting very tall and very big. I'm gonna have plenty of them later on this year. Hey, looky, my roses are about ready to bloom. They are so cute. Those are miniature yellow roses. Now the pool's set up for the year. Just gotta make sure I keep it clean. Keep on scooping it out. Looks like it needs scooped already. But at least the kids will have something to swim in. It's been warm enough. Been quite warm enough. Actually, very warm enough. The weather forecast. We're supposed to be dry here for a few days, and the garden's starting to dry up. So I should be able to get in there and start pulling some of those weeds. You know, there's quite a few in there if I think about it. Silly cats. They gotta quit digging in my garden. Cucumbers are doing good, except for the ones the cats have dug up there. Oops. Now if I can convince Larry to quit blowing grass clippings into it when he's mowing the yard, that'd be doing really good. The radishes are doing excellent, and so is these pumpkins, although I definitely got the radishes too close to the pumpkins. Oh well, so I didn't have it marked right. My stakes aren't where the seeds were. Oh well. One lone little radish, all the way over here, all by its lonesome. Oh my. More radishes, doing good. The watermelon's finally starting to do something. I don't know, it's still kind of weak, but it might have been because it got way too much rain, because it's been raining solid every day for about 2 weeks now. So, more radishes. The peas are doing good. Pretty soon they should start climbing the strings, I'm hoping. I'm thinking what I'll do is I might get a rope to put on the end of this, to pull it this way, and stake it into the ground. That way maybe it won't bend as much. Marigolds are coming up good. Got plenty of marigolds. Lots and lots of marigolds. This is the drainage ditch I had to make. Seems to be doing good. It did its job. It drained the garden for the most part. When it started flooding, pretty good. More marigolds. More marigolds. More marigolds. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. For the most part, it's doing pretty good. Alright, if you can see right there in the middle was that albino corn. It's starting to die off now, since it has no nutrients, no way of getting the chloroform or whatever it is. So they're starting to die off. But I still got plenty of other corn, as you can tell. But like I said before, I'm not going to keep any of this corn to replant next year. Let's get rid of that mutant gene, or mutant whatever it was, that kept on popping up with this albino corn. Okay, cilantro is doing excellent. Very, very good. Maybe pretty soon I can start picking it to use in recipes instead of just a leaf here and there to munch on. And this one's rather interesting. I got a grapevine. I don't know where it came from, but it's there. The sunflowers are doing good. They're very good. And even got a little bit of that right there. is black snake root. So, poison oak, yuck. But seems to be doing good.